Hi there! In today's video I want to do a fall inspired look. I have a color combination in mind. I want to use like orangey, like dark brown orangey tones and green, just so combine more colors that scream fall to me. I think I want to do like a smoky liner with green lower lash line. This is how I do things. Like I usually start with a particular look in mind and then just translate it on my lids. Well, I'm only going to do eyes and lips on camera, so let's get started. I zoomed you a little bit closer so you can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna start with a pencil base. It's going to be this one from Urban Decay, the Glide On pencil in the shade Alkaline. It looks purple-ish. I don't know if I'm gonna manage to do what I want to do, but we'll see. We're going to try it out. What I will do though, I will apply it a little bit lower, so I won't apply it right from the outer corner of my eye. I'm just going to apply it a little bit lower because I want this liner that I'm going to do to be connected to the lower lash line. Even though it's going to be a different color, but I do want that cohesive look. Just throw it here. We're going to blend it out anyway, so you don't have to be really precise with it. Make sure that your pencil is creamy enough for you to blend it. And then I'm gonna take a pencil brush and obviously blend it. I'm going to do flicking motions like that so I can create a faded wing. And the tip of the brush is really helpful with a brush shape like this, because you can be really precise, especially on the wing here. I think you can also use that kind of a detail brush that has, you know, the tip like a lip brush almost. Even though if you're into smoky liners, I suggest you go get a pencil brush like this because it's really helpful. I'm just gonna apply a little bit more underneath here. So as you can see here, I have enough space to connect the lower lash line to this liner. Then the palette that I want to use today, and hopefully it's going to be enough for what I want to do, is the Nubian 2 by Juvia's Place. It looks really promising. It has this color that's really similar to my pencil, and then I want to use this one as well. I don't know how, but I will. And then this green. First of all, I'm going to use the color that resembles my pencil to set the pencil, because I don't want to have a creamy, even though this one is really long lasting, I feel like setting it with an eyeshadow makes it even more long lasting. And also it helps you, you know, blend it into the other shadows that you want to apply on top, which I do want to apply some more colors. So I'm just gonna, you know, gently tap it on top of the pencil. Then again, using the tip of the brush, I will do some fading here on the wing. I already love this color. I don't know how I will be able to blend it into that orangey shade, because that's what I want to do. I'm gonna take a shading brush from Real Techniques and hopefully I will be able to blend with this orangey color. First I'm gonna just tap it on top, a little bit above the liner that we did. Oh, but I love this. Wow, that's a nice combination. Oh my god, it looks like a sunset. It's so beautiful. But this is lovely. I'm gonna gently tap it inwards, like all over the base of my lashes. I'm gonna take the purplish color again, re-intensify it a bit, and also like really blend the shades into one another. So I'm gently touching the place where the shades meet, so they will really fade into one another. I just want to blend this orange a little bit more. I don't think I was excited about the look, this excited about the look in a while. Do you wear different colors now that fall is here? I'm curious if you know, adjust your makeup to the season, because I kind of like to do that, and using fall colors especially is one of my favorite things to do. And in summer I do enjoy wearing brighter colors, but let me know if you do the same thing. Time for the lower lash line. I'm again using a pencil base first. I'm using this one from Sephora Collection. It's the color Contour in the shade Luscious Emerald. It's just a green pencil, that's what I want. I know it doesn't look very nice when I pull my eye down like that, but it's the only way I can apply a pencil on my waterline without stabbing myself in the eye. I'm also going to bring it down and apply it like in between my lashes, really close to the base of my lashes. You know what I want to do, and I'm really excited for that? I want to do like a fall photo shoot. Once the leaves start falling, I want to go out and take some pictures. This was one of my favorite activities when I was in high school. It's just getting out with my friends during fall and taking pics. Then I'm gonna take the green eyeshadow from the palette. I'm gonna run that along my lower lash line. How did this suddenly just got better? Wow. Wow, I really love this color combination. I think I'm gonna do this for that photo shoot as well. I probably missed applying like a bit more creative makeup, I guess, because I've only did like neutrals and just simple makeup lately. Probably that's the reason I get so excited. I'm gonna take the purplish pencil again and just apply this in the inner portion of the inside of my eye. How is this called? The tear duct. Because I do like the definition that this placement gives to my eye. I'm not going to do an inner corner wing. It's just inside of my eye. And then what I want to do to make things even more interesting, I want to apply this gold in the inner corner. We'll see how it goes, but I'm excited. I think it will turn out good. Yes, yes. Oh damn, that is pretty. Excuse me. I feel like I'm bursting with excitement today. Stop. No. This is so beautiful. Is this the prettiest look I've ever done? Oh my god. This is so pretty. Yes, I think it is the prettiest look I've done in my life. These colors, man. This palette. So beautiful. I did cover a little bit of that pencil, so I'm gonna quickly run it again on the inner corner. I'm gonna finish off the eye look with a little bit of mascara, but first I'm going to curl my lashes, as usual. Dude, I love that lash serum that I used. I think I'm going to keep using it for the rest of my life. I don't use it at the moment because the effect still shows, but when it's going to fade and my lashes are going to go back to their regular stage, I am going to use it again because it's such a huge difference. If you haven't watched that video where I, talked about that lash serum, I'm going to link it somewhere on the screen. They got so much longer and darker somehow. I love it. Gonna apply it on the lower lashes as well. This is the Essence False Lashes Mascara, by the way, if I didn't mention that. Time for lips. I'm going to do an orangey tone lip, or so I hope, because I'm going to mix some lipsticks. I'm way too much of a coward to use this one from Too Faced, although okay, I'm going to mix it with something lighter just so I stay in the safe zone. But first I'm going to line my lips with this pencil is from L'Oreal. It's in the shade Seine Sunset. It's the color Riche lip liner. I'm gonna fill in the sides as well because I'm too lazy to go grab a brush, so I'm going to apply the liquid lipstick with my finger. You're going to see in a second what I mean. Well, I do have the Too Faced lipstick, and I also have this Maybelline lipstick in the shade Driver, the Superstay Matte Ink. This is lovely as well for fall, but I think I want to darken it just a tiny bit with the Too Faced. I don't know if it shows on camera, but this is pretty warm toned as well, like quite a light orange shade. But I want to add like just a tiny drop of this Too Faced lipstick. And look what a pretty shade. I think that's what I wanted to go for. It's like an orangey nude at this point. Yes, that is pretty. I loved this look before, but with this lip it just got better. And this is everything for today's look. I really hope you like it as much as I do, because I am obsessed with it. I really love the colors, and I love how this whole look turned out. I want to thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope it was useful, and let me know if you will try this color combination. I definitely will play with it a lot more, because I really love it. I love this palette. I haven't used it in a while, so it's kind of like I got back to loving it. I hope you're having the most beautiful day ever, and I will see you next time. Bye!